Hey, you were wondering which service is the best in the best web hosting category. Having looked at over 30 hosting sites, and this one has the most reliable security features. I have been using this hosting for about 10 years and it has never let me down. In this short video, I will show you 7 life hacks that few people know about, but which make it truly one of the best in the best web hosting category. Take a closer look at the screen. Let's get started.
iPage doesn't have a complicated pricing structure or dozens of plans to choose from. There is one unlimited shared hosting plan and 2 managed shared WordPress plans. Everything is neatly organized and available in English. iPage provides several integrations with popular platforms and packages to help you improve performance and security. iPage seems to pretty much cover everything you need for hosting, especially for novice web admins who need to be able to set up a complete hosting solution from scratch. You can protect your site with SSL and SiteLock, get daily backups as a paid add-on, and effectively reach your site's readers with an optional CDN. And you can start building your website with your WordPress, Weebly, or iPage website builder. SiteLock is a suite of tools to improve the performance and security of any website. It scans for malware and vulnerabilities and blocks automated bot attacks. It provides a firewall and CDN. WP Essential Plan iPage includes a free particular version of the SiteLock security suite. You will be given access to your SiteLock control panel, where you can view website statistics and even customize the SiteLock security icon to display on your website. You can also use the services of a security professional to clean up your compromised website with the SiteLock 911 service. To help you get your website up and running, iPage provides several pre-installed WordPress plugins, including the Jetpack plugin, which gives you access to over 100 free WordPress themes, as well as lazy image uploading, brute force attack protection, downtime monitoring, statistics monitoring, etc. Other plugins include the W3 Total Cache plugin and the Mojo Marketplace plugin. iPage has a basic version of Google Analytics built into the dashboard, so you can quickly view visitor statistics such as where your visitors came from, over what period, and how they interacted with your site. You can also easily activate additional analytics tools, shared hosting, and WordPress hosting plans. You only get 500 megabytes of email storage by default, but you can buy credits to increase your email storage. Your email contains all the basic features, including IMAP, POP3 support, SSL, and autoresponders, as well as setup steps for email clients like Outlook and Gmail. You also get free constant contact email marketing campaigns for 3 months. iPage simple user interface put ease of use above all else. iPage strives to be accessible to as many people as possible. It does it right by being easy to use, right from the registration process to set up your first WordPress website through a simple hosting control panel. iPage provides many tools for building your website. You can use WordPress or another CMS, Equid for an e-commerce store, Weebly website builder, or iPage's drag-and-drop website builder. As a new webmaster, you may be confused by complicated control panels such as cPanel and Flask. That's why iPage provides a proprietary control panel that makes it easy to manage the most critical aspects of your hosting without being overwhelmed with information. Although it provides easy navigation through the main hosting features, the outdated control panel needs a design overhaul. iPage provides straightforward customization wizards to guide you through the process of setting up your site. These customization wizards are tailored to each website creation platform. For example, the WordPress wizard can generate the first few pages and provide you with prompts that start setting up your website. Creating an iPage account is a simple process with few unnecessary steps, except for an unexpected survey and an unnecessarily long password creation step. iPage is very fast in some places, and the actual uptime exceeds the warranty provided. iPage offers a standard 99.9% uptime guarantee for all of its hosting products. On the other hand, existing customers of this company report actual uptime as high as 99.98%. One of the best aspects of iPage hosting is the diligent support staff, which is always within walking distance. iPage provides 24/7 customer support for all of its hosting products and provides managed support for its VPS and dedicated server solutions. To start a chat session, you first need to fill out an online form, then you can continue with your questions. iPage offers almost unbelievably low starting prices, but look out for high renewal rates and paid add-ons. iPage's mega prices include unlimited storage and bandwidth, free SSL certificates, and a free domain name for all shared hosting products. VPS and dedicated server prices are in line with industry averages, and the WP Essential plan includes free site log protection as an added value. You can pay using fairly standard payment methods, such as credit or debit cards and PayPal. Web hosting customers also get $100 in Google Ads and Bing advertising credits, with the caveat that you only get $100 when you first spend $25. While iPage almost always entices you with special offers, they come at the expense of high renewal rates, up to 4 times the original cost. You may end up paying more than if you had initially paid a more expensive competitor. As with other hosting providers, iPage's promise of unlimited hosting is subject to its allowable use policy, which limits the number of files you can store if they start to affect server performance. iPage offers several plans for the lowest price. The price depends on which plan you choose. iPage offers a 30-day money-back guarantee on all of its hosting products, which should give you confidence in your commitment to the company. But keep in mind that the refund process isn't perfect. You need to talk to the customer service, and their emails aren't exactly clear on how and when your refund will be processed.